In today's video, I will walk you through how to add lightning effects in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by going to File, then choose Place Embedded, and bring your second image into the project. Once the image appears on screen, lower the opacity of that layer down to 50%. Now resize the image and rotate it if needed. Move it around the canvas until the lightning lines up naturally with the area where you want the effect to appear. Take a moment here to adjust the placement carefully so the composition looks balanced. When you are happy with the position, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the transformation. After confirming the placement, bring the opacity back up to 100% so the lightning image becomes fully visible again. Next, go to the Blending Mode drop-down at the top of the Layers panel and change the mode from Normal to Screen. After that, click the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Blending Options. In the Blend If section, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and split the black slider. Slowly drag the split slider toward the right side until the dark areas fade smoothly into the image. Click OK. Now press Ctrl and J to duplicate the layer. With the duplicated layer selected, press Ctrl and I to invert it. Then change the blending mode of this inverted layer to Divide. Once that is done, lower the opacity of the layer down to 18% to soften the effect and keep it from looking too harsh. Next, select both lightning layers together by holding down the Shift key and clicking each layer. Right-click on the selected layers and choose Group From Layers. Rename the group to Lightning so it stays organized inside the project. Now create a copy of the entire group by pressing Ctrl and J. With the duplicated group selected, press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Right-click on the image and choose Flip Horizontal. After flipping it, drag the duplicated lightning effect to another area of the image and adjust the placement until it fits naturally within the scene. When everything looks right, press Enter to confirm the transformation. To finish the effect, click on the Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and create a new Color Lookup adjustment layer. Open the drop-down menu and select Foggy Night. Finally, lower the opacity of the Color Lookup layer down to 25% so the effect stays subtle and balanced. And that is how to add lightning effects in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.